Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the watch carefully and removing the case back. This reveals whether the issue is power, moisture, or mechanical. Once done, test the battery with a multimeter and check crown function. Replace battery if below spec. Make sure to use a loop and magnetic-safe tweezers so you don't lose parts. You'll also want each screw and part in a labeled tray to avoid confusion later. This saves time and prevents damage as you move to detailed repairs. You now remove the hands and dial carefully and lift the movement into a holder. This lets you see gear train and escapement at work. As you inspect, watch for bent pivots, dirty jewels, or loose screws. These cause intermittent stops. Clean visible debris using Rodico and blowers, and use pegwood for oil removal in pivot holes. Once cleaned, lightly apply the correct watch oil to specified points. Too much oil attracts dust, so measure sparingly, and test the gear mesh first. You reassemble the movement methodically and secure the case back while ensuring gaskets are intact. Replace seals if dampness was present. Once sealed, set time and run the watch on a wrist simulation or timing machine for 24 to 48 hours to confirm accuracy and amplitude. Make sure to monitor for irregular ticks or stopping. If problems persist, inspect the hairspring for magnetization or deformation and the escapement for alignment issues. One key troubleshooting tip: demagnetize the movement first. Many symptoms mimic mechanical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.